Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect kombucha. To begin your brewing journey, gather your essential equipment. You will need a clean 1-gallon glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a secure rubber band. For ingredients, prepare 1 healthy SCOBY, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 8 standard black or green tea bags. Also, have 1 cup of unflavored starter liquid ready from a previous batch. Always ensure everything is meticulously clean. Now let's start the first fermentation. First, brew 8 tea bags in 4 cups of hot water for about 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then stir in 1 cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. Next, add 12 cups of cold water to cool the sweet tea mixture down to room temperature. Pour this cooled sweet tea into your 1-gallon jar, then gently add your SCOBY and the 1 cup of starter liquid. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. After 7 to 10 days, your first fermentation is complete. Carefully remove the SCOBY and 1 cup of plain kombucha to use as starter for your next batch. Now, pour the remaining fermented kombucha into airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This is where you add flavor. Try 1/4 cup of fruit juice per 16 ounces of kombucha. Seal the bottles and let them ferment at room temperature for 2 to 4 days for carbonation. Then, refrigerate to stop the process and enjoy your delicious drink. Sometimes you might encounter issues. If you see dry, fuzzy mold, unfortunately, you must discard the entire batch. A healthy SCOBY can float or sink. Both are perfectly normal. Adjust your fermentation time to achieve your preferred balance of sweetness and tanginess. Longer ferments yield a more vinegary taste. Store your finished kombucha in the refrigerator for up to several weeks. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit and herb combinations to discover your favorite unique flavors. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.